What's up guys, in this video I will show you how to change Instagram Explorer page. And the first thing what you need to do, you need to get up into your profile section, getting into the search box on the second selection. Then here, as you can see, it is the Explorer section. Just click on that section, and for example, as you can see here, if you just go and for example, if you don't wanna get up into your Explorer page football sessions, just click on that section. Go on the three dots, go for not interested, then scroll down, take a look for another thing that is not interesting for you, for example this one. Then go again on the three dots, go for not interested, then scroll down, take a good look on all these things. Now when you get into it, just get back to the search exploring section, take a refresh, and now you're not gonna see these posts which were related. For example, if you go and type that are not interesting for you, football sites, it will not gonna jump up sections which are related for football. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that like and share the video. See you soon guys.